Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Honda. Hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2018 Honda Civic SR diesel. Now of course this is a 1.6 litre turbo and you do get LED daytime running lights, front parking sensors, you get these freshly refurbished 17-inch alloy wheels, which of course I will go into each and every one just so you can get a good idea of the design pattern and the condition on them. Then around to the rear, we've got rear parking sensors and a reversing camera, which you can see just above the registration there. Then inside the tailgate, we have plenty of room inside of here, including 60/40 split folding rear seats. You then get this brilliant pull-out privacy shelf just here, which will team up with the one above to ensure maximum privacy for any belongings kept inside. Then coming out and around again, showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car now, we've got full cloth black interior with Isofix mounting points at the bottom, electric windows all round. Into the front, we've then also got your electric handbrake with brake hold, 6-speed manual gearbox, dual climate control as well. Your infotainment display comes with satellite navigation. You've then got Bluetooth hands-free. And last but not least, you have your various audio sources just here, which you can see there. Then over to the steering wheel, you've got your volume, onboard computer control, voice assistant, Bluetooth hands-free. The arrows here work between your infotainment display and your onboard computer. Over to the right, you have your adaptive cruise control settings with lane keep assist and distance control. You've got automatic headlights and windscreen wipers. And as you can see, this Civic has done 45,059 miles. Coming back outside the car now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Civic diesel, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you with a personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Honda.